All right, welcome back to What's the Deal with Bitcoin? In part one, we kind of defined what Bitcoin is. It's confusing, but now we're gonna make it real. We're actually gonna open up an account and we're gonna buy some Bitcoin. And here to help me, once again, is Marcus Sakamoto, and you're a Bitcoin expert. Do you own Bitcoin?
Absolutely, Jimmy.
Okay, and so how did you do it, and how should I get going on this? What's step one?
Step one is probably to download the most common app, which is called Coinbase. So go into your app store,
All right.
type in Coinbase, and let's download that.
Okay, so it has a sign up bar right here. I imagine I gotta hit that.
Let's push that one.
Okay, I'm pushing that one. Boom. All right, sign me up. And once my email, I can give it that. Boom. Got it. First name, Jimmy. Last name, Rhodes. While I'm doing this, I have a question for you that you can answer. Do you have to buy a whole Bitcoin? Because $12,000, I don't have it.
No, this is the great thing about Bitcoin. So instead of going to buy Starbucks coffee, right, spend $7 and buy Bitcoins. Instead of going and watching a movie, spend $12 and buy Bitcoin. So there's no reason for you to wait.
It just sent me, please verify your email address. So this is just part of the thing. So I'm gonna hit verify email address in my Gmail. And that should allow me to proceed. And then it says accept terms, and it's loading the terms of service. Now I'm not gonna read all these, because does anybody really read these?
Oh, no, I don't read it.
No, okay.
Let's be honest.
Okay. All right, I agree. I'm gonna agree to this because there's nothing that jumped out at me as terribly scary. All right, look, you're almost ready to invest. See that?
Oh, great. No, we need to hook up your bank account.
All right, well, let me see. It says complete account setup. So far, this is really easy. Okay, it wants my phone number, so I'm gonna punch that in. I'm hiding that. I don't want everybody on the internet to have my phone number. Call me crazy.
Okay, they can get it from me later.
We have talked on the phone, you would have it. Okay, so they're doing three-step authentication, which is good, right?
Yes.
Okay, so they sent me a text to this number, and now they want me to punch in this code. Confirming, yes, I got it, okay. Confirm.
That was the most difficult part today.
So far, yeah, just my inability to remember a string of 8 numbers. Hey, feel free to jump in and mock me, Marcus. The pool's warm.
No, you know how much respect I have for you.
Okay, all right, so now I have, oh my gosh, look at this. I can add a bank account, which I assume they would want my routing number and account number.
Yes.
Or I can add a debit card and do an instant buy.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a debit card and do an instant buy.
Yes.
Look at this. So I'm opening this wallet, right? This is my old style wallet. What do you think? Define a wallet for me in crypto terms while I punch in numbers here.
Well, a wallet is something people can visualize. They know that that's where they keep their money. So in the crypto world, we call it a wallet, and then that wallet keeps basically all your secret passwords that you can access.
Gonna put on my cheaters, make sure that I got all this right. So that's right. So that looks all right. 2 small authorization charges between $1.01 and $1.99 will be made to your card. They will not permanently post to your account. Okay. And this may seem like a pain in the butt, but you know what? It's your money, so you want to get it right. All done! Look at that! Marcus! It says invest now. Boom, doing it.
Let's invest that money right now, Jimmy.
So let's say I want to start this with, I want to purchase 10 bucks of Bitcoin. That gets me 0.0082387 Bitcoins.
That sounds about right.
Okay. Hey! Look at there! It's buying, it's grinding, but in the background I can see, but I'm the proud owner of 0.0082387 Bitcoin. Boom!
Congratulations, Jimmy. You are now the proud owner of Bitcoin.
So by tomorrow I should be able to own Guam or something, right? Isn't this going crazy?
Exactly. You're going to be a very happy camper.
Okay. Now this gets addictive. There's a kind of a game aspect to this. Tell me about that. It's kind of exciting.
Well, you shouldn't really think of this as an investment at this point, because investments are much more, what do you call it? You could plan, there's a reason to buy it. This right now is in a phenomenal phase where, because it's so popular right now, people are jumping in. Like the Coinbase account that you just opened up, there are points where they were opening up 100,000 accounts a day. So because of the press, people are just jumping in, people are buying Bitcoins, but soon enough, the government's going to get involved. New market instruments are going to be coming out, and then it's going to calm down, and then the product will become much more investable. But because of its volatility right now, you would not consider it an investment.
Okay. Well, this is pretty amazing. We just had about a, 5 or 7 minute conversation here, and in the course of that conversation, I am now the proud owner of Bitcoin. That easy.
And that was easy, wasn't it, Jimmy?
It was simple. It was really simple. It's that easy for me. I know nothing. Ask the expert. Marcus, do I know anything?
No, but you did an awesome job, and now you do know something.
Okay, I know one thing. Now I know one thing, and that's how to buy Bitcoin, how easy it is, and if I can do it, you can do it. So if you're interested, this is not investment advice. If you want to have fun with it, if you find it a little bit of a game, you understand the risk, it's not hard to get in the Bitcoin game. So you've been hearing the headlines. If you want to jump in the pool, the water's warm and apparently heating up. So thank you again to Marcus Sakamoto. We're coming back with a part 3, which is why to or why not to buy Bitcoin. So join us again here on YouTube while we figure out what's the deal with Bitcoin. And remember, subscribe. That shows love. Did you love this? Well, then love us back. Subscribe.